Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn a horizontal video into a vertical video using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app and import your videos that you would like to change the orientation of. Now, when you import your videos, first you have to go to the format and you have to choose one of the vertical video options. Now the most popular one is 9:16, but you can also use all these different options. Now when you change the format, you will see that your horizontal video is going to be in the middle of this vertical video in this very small window, which is not optimal. From here you have a few choices. You can either pinch on this video and zoom in so it fits the vertical frame, but you should keep that in mind that this way the quality is going to be a little bit lower, but you can still fit the screen. And in a few cases where you have maybe abstract videos or videos where the orientation is not that important, you can just turn your video to its side, and then it's going to fit perfectly the frame and you won't lose any quality. For example, with this drone shot, it is perfectly good even if I turned it into its side. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.